baby, right there.
You were doing awesome. 9, 10. Awesome. Okay, one last more good one. She is so close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got this. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm a little bit concerned about his shoulder dystocia because the baby's head is coming down so slow. Safer if I cut a little episiotomy, and then when you push, we're not going to stop for the section of the baby out. You're going to go right through because I don't want the shoulders to get stuck.
Shoulders are still shoulding. Shoulders
Yeah,
get
yeah.
stuck. Just because she's not tight. You want to try it? Do we want to wait? We want to wait. We want to wait.
Okay.
We want to try once more.
No, but if this baby's shoulders get stuck, you're going to tear into a 4th degree, and that's what I'm afraid. So.
That's the rectum.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
You've got this.
He'll cut it to the side and direct the tear.
Right here, okay? So we've got this. Deep breath.
Okay, ready?
Deep breath. You're strong, Mama. Deep breath in. Let's go. You got this. 1, 2. You got this. You got this. We've got a head. You've got a head. Pull a little back. Deep breath in. Keep pushing. Deep breath in. Push. You've got this. You've got this. You are so strong. You've got this. All right. Keep those knees back, guys. You've got this. Raise your shoulder. Bear into it, Mama. You got it. Come on. You got this. Push. Keep pushing. Tight ankle. You got this, honey. Deep breath in. Come on.
Big push,
You
big
got
push, big
this.
push.
You got deep breath in.
Push, baby.
Go, 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 go. Back. All the way. You got this.
Come on, baby.
All right. You got this. Come on, Sam.
Right there, baby.
You got this.
Just trying to help her shoulders.
You got this.
Curl into that.
Stop for just a sec. Stop pushing.
You're doing awesome, Sam. You got this.
There you go. He's gonna
Your
cut that
baby
cord
is
into
coming.
the
She is
side.
coming.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's right there.
She's doing awesome. You are doing awesome. You're good.
All right, let's deliver her through. Deep push in and go. Deep breath in and go.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go.
You got
Good
this.
job, baby.
Come on, baby.